Even with a thread and needle, you can still make this beautiful headband at home. You are going to need a stretchy fabric, your thread and needle, or your sewing machine. In 2 minutes with just 2 steps. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is 401 Styling. Today we are going to be making a simple headband. So this fabric that I have here is 8 inches wide and 22 inches long. Place the fabric on the right side and you fold it like so, right side facing each other. You stitch down this upper part either with thread and needle or sewing machine. I'm done doing that and I'm going to turn to the right side. So once you turn to the right side, make sure that you fold it in a way that this joining allowance is at the middle. You flip it to the wrong side and place the right side facing each other like so. That is the part that does not have sewing outside. After that, you move this fabric to the center like so. This part you fold it to the back, while this other side here you bring it forward. Let me take it once again. After which you place your fabric on each other like so. You move one of the fabric to the center like this using that sewing line and flip one side to the back, and this other side is going to be on top. Then you're going to stitch it down. After stitching, I trim off the excess and at the same time trim off the edges so that it will not pop out. So after this, you turn it outside and this is what you are going to have. And with that, we are done with our headband. So you can make as many of these as possible. You can make this as a gift, make it for yourself, and you can make it for your baby girl just with your scrap fabric. So guys, that'll be all for today's tutorial. Kindly click on the like button if you find it helpful, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. Until next time we meet again in my next tutorial, bye bye and take care of yourself.